In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money. You can make hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000 online. Just follow my steps. Stay till the end of this video. This video is a free game. It can be life changing for you, your entire generation, for your family, for your unborn children. Just take action on what any. Just follow. Anytime you follow my videos, take action. Follow my videos, take action. Just do that, bro. Can guarantee you will be rich in 2 years. Trust me, bro. Listen to me. Watch my videos, take action. Watch my videos, take action. Don't just watch it as Netflix, as entertainment. You get me? So, bro, I'm telling you from my heart, as my heart is, don't use my videos as series, as enjoyment, as instant gratification. Use my videos. What even if I tell you click the link in description, click the link in description because all those the opportunity you're not going to have it forever. I'm likely to delete all my videos because I'm giving free games that no one is willing to give for free like that. So you understand me? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make thousands of dollars online. The first step, you know, you have a dream. People like you have dreams to make money online, not make money online obviously, to have views on YouTube. Like this kind of people have 7.4 million views, 352,000 views, 2.8 million views. Comparison richest YouTubers 2023. This guy has 2.8 million views. This one has 81,000 views, 13 million views, 765,000 views. Don't you want to have this kind of views like this? 10 million views. Not you, I'm not saying you. You can be the person, the middleman, helping other people have views like this. You will say, how? How is that possible? Let me explain. You know a tool called vidIQ. This is a tool called vidIQ to boost your views. You just need to the person, not you, the person, because you're making money as a middleman, so you can use it for yourself, but you help people to get views. People that could boast of 10 views, they can that is nothing, or 100 views, 1,000 views, it's nothing. If they so if they um subscribe to this tool, yeah, buy this tool, they will have views easily because the thing will help them rank and all. So in the way you're going to help them, you help them through your affiliate link. You'll be an affiliate for them. You make money. You make money through the affiliate link. So once they do the payment, you make money. Let's first of all let's check the pricing and all. Yeah, tools. First of all, you sign up. Basically, it helps you do videos like this. You rank it, give you the right title to have billions of millions of views, a lot of views. You get me? So to suggest you the good keywords and all. So this is the pricing. If for example you do this monthly access $25. Not somebody, not you. So the person does $25 every month. You get your own commission. You get me? So you just need to join the affiliate program, which is this one, vidiq.com/affiliate. See the affiliate program. If you love vidIQ and want to make some extra cash, you can do this. You see, one associate 10 sales, 15%, influencer 50 sales, 20%. Please review our affiliate program terms before signing up for the affiliate. Exactly. So this affiliate can suit you, it might not suit you. So you can make passive income from your software you use to grow your YouTube channel. Yeah, it's as simple as that. It's not that hard. You make cash. You can make $39 a month, $100 a month. If you click on sign up to be an affiliate, so we link they'll take you to where to the link where you can earn money. You just need to enroll. Then they'll show you the commission you can be making. So for example, most of the time they'll give you 30-40% commission. Just like for example that $25 you saw, $25 times 40% commission. This is $10. So $10 every month for each person. If you multiply it times 100, that is $1,000 every month just by doing this strategy. Then if you want to promote your affiliate link, if you want to promote your affiliate link, you can. If you want to get views, if you want to get traffic from this your link, want people to be enrolling, can do like vidIQ review, for example. You do bunch of videos, vidIQ reviews. You can go to different Facebook groups, Reddit, different forums and all. Just like this guy, she did. This guy did 9 months ago vidIQ review. Most obviously she would have promoted it. If she didn't promote it, she's stupid. She's brainless. Sorry to say. Then this guy here did it a month ago. Talk about vidIQ. So you too can do something like that. You can do videos. If you do like 100 videos, I can guarantee you, almost guarantee you that you can gain a sale, but you won't because you're lazy. I dare you to create 100 videos about vidIQ. You promote them. You promote them on TikTok. Promote them everywhere. You must make a sale, bro. The universe can't lie. You get me? But bro, if you don't like this business model, you can try the one in the second link, the one in the second link in description. That one literally can make you rich as crazy. Depends on how hard you put in the work. Don't get me wrong. Depends on how hard you put in the work. It's not a get rich quick scheme because it takes time. It takes few months to a year. So you just need to follow your steps. Follow my steps. Sorry, follow my steps, and you'll be good to go. You'll be good to go before the end of this year. You cash out something. You cash out. You must cash out. Just be serious. Just follow my step. Listen to me. As like now, go to the link in description. Take action. Take massive action, because you're not going to have this opportunity. This opportunity to be rich to go in a few months. Even though you not have this opportunity. Just you know get me. So bro, as for me, I'm out. I've talked much in this video.